I'm playing with the Cam Ranger remote control from Nikon camera to tablet device. And what I'm doing is controlling the Nikon D810 from the tablet. I'll focus on myself. There, focus on myself. And then if I want to focus on the mountain, I just touch the screen. And now I focus on the mountain in the background. We're shooting almost darkness, total darkness. I'm at ISO 1600 shooting video. We're f3.5, 1/60th of a second. And so we'll see what kind of noise and distractions we have on the video at ISO 1600, and the sun has been down for quite a while now. It's quite dark out here actually, and the gnats and the Kathy says mosquitoes. I don't know. I haven't seen a mosquito in Nevada. I've seen about 3 mosquitoes in 20 years, 38 years. But that's the way it goes. It says there are some restrictions with the Nikon D810 with the Cam Ranger, but I'm sure that Cam Ranger will have an update or a firmware update that will take care of that. So far, the only restriction I see is that there is no ISO 64 on the Cam Ranger that I have, and the native ISO for the Nikon D810 is ISO 64. They'll fix that. Okay, see.